the video here. Some small bite.
Come now this side. Photo. Ito pun semuanya.
Yeah. So we have come along with the PHE Minister and our Commissioner Secretary, CE and other officials of the PHE department to review and to visit the site of the William Nagar Urban Water Supply Scheme, first phase. And as you can see, the project is in very advanced stage and all the different components, construction is going on, and we expect this to be completed very soon. And after that, we are also expecting and working hard to get the sanction for the second phase so that the entire project can be completed and people in William Nagar town can William Nagar Urban Water Supply Scheme ni first phase ni kamrang kunina sengaja di apunarita project namin William Nagar town area na namin important project ko ha aro ya project si kragatan William Nagar ni water supply ni issues sangkut nga resolve ka naman gen aro makhang si de bangpa belsi kholachi sokrina provision sangkut chansie या प्रोजेक्ट को प्लान का जो या प्रोजेक्ट फेस कलियो चकाई को बाका हा स्कांगा पर फेसो दाविया टैंक रंको रिजर्वोयर रंको ट्रीटमेंट प्लांट का कुछ ना थारियेगा और खरागता डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन नेटवर्क को बचना थारियेगा